Now seven types of crystal system. In back video, some criteria are provided to you. On the basis of that, seven type crystal systems are occur. If length of the side core, core, length of the side or core along x-axis, that is small a. Length of the core or side along y-axis, that is small b. And length of the core, that is side along z-axis, small c. यानी लेंथ ऑफ कोर, लेंथ ऑफ साइड along all the three axes x, y and z are similar, and angle between them are also similar, and each equal to 90 degrees. Then our crystal system would be cubical. Condition for this: A, B, C, that is length of sides along x, y and z axis should be similar, and angle between each two axes should be equal, and each must have value equal to 90 degree. Then our system would be cubical. Sodium chloride, potassium chloride, copper, calcium oxide come under cubical system. If A and B are similar but C is not similar, C is not equal to A, C is not equal to B, but all the three angles are equal and each of which equal to 90 degree, our system will regarded as tetragonal. Under this, stynic oxide, titanium oxide, ammonium bromide come. In next case, orthorhombic. If length of all the sides, length of all the core are not equal, but angle between each two mutually perpendicular axes are same and each of which equal to 90 degree, then our crystal system will be known as orthorhombic. Barium sulfate, potassium nitrate come under this. Next, in case of trigonal, A, B, C are similar. Length of cores, length of sides are similar. Angle are also similar, but no any angle equal to 90 degree. Example related to this is sodium nitrate. In monoclinic, all three sides or length of cores along x, y and z axis are not similar. A not equal to B and not equal to C. A not equal to C, B not equal to C. So A not equal to B, not equal to C. Two angles are similar and each of which 90 degree, while third angle equal to 120. Plaster of Paris, calcium sulfate, hemihydrate is example of monoclinic system. In hexagonal case, two sides, two cores have equal length, A equal to B, while third core is not equal to A and not equal to B. A equal to B and both not equal to C. Two angles are similar and each of which are 90 degree, while third angle gamma equal to 120 degree. Graphite, zinc, cadmium. Zinc cadmium means metallic solid. Come under this. And in last, in case of triclinic system, length of cores are unequal, not similar. All the three angles are similar, but no any angle equal to 90 degree. Each angle below 90 degree. So out of the 7 crystal system, we have to study only about the cubical system. As you know, according to the definition of cube, in case of cube, length of all the sides are equal. While in case of cuboid, length of all the sides are not equal. So you have to focus our mind particularly at number 1, cubical system. Suppose this packet, let us consider it is a cube. How many corners? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. In cube, 8 corners exist. Again, how many faces in the cube? Pay your individual attention at my hand. Frontal face, back face, side face. This is also side face. One face is this upward, and another face is in contact of my palm. So here there are 6 faces in the cube. First face, back side. Second face, this is third face, this is fourth face, this is fifth face, and this is sixth face. Always remember this, in any cube or in any cubical shape, there are 6 faces and 8 corners. Now let us consider the cube. It has 8 corners. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. Eight corner in cube, and it has six faces. It has six faces. If constituents, that is atom or molecule or ions, present only at the corners, then this cubical system is known as simple or primitive cell. If constituents present at all the eight corners and one constituent at the center of cube, then it is regarded as body centered cubic system, BCC. BCC means body centered cubic. And if constituents, atom or molecule or ion, present at all the eight corners and all the six faces, all the corners and at all the six faces, not at the center of cube, only at six faces and eight corners, then our cubical system is specially known as face centered cubic, that is FCC. Now let us consider this step by step. This cubical system is known as simple. Cubical crystal, FCC, or primitive cell cubical system. Consider second figure. Eight constituents at eight corners. And one at the center of cube. This is center of cube. 8 constituents at 8 corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And one constituent at the center of the body, center of the cube. It is known as body centered. Body centered cubic system, cubic crystal. B, body B centered, C cubic, C, B, C, C. If constituents is not present at the center of cube, but on the all 6 faces, then this is referred as face centered cubic. Face centered cube, FCC. Eight constituents present at the 8 corners. Now we have 6 faces. One constituent will present at each face. One constituent at this face. One at this face, one at this face, one at this face. And now 2 faces are sidereal. Look this. Frontal face, back face, upper face, lower face. These are side face. These are side face. Now 2 constituents will also present at 2 sidereal or side faces. It will be represented like this. This is known as face centered cubic, FCC. FCC, face centered cubic. On the basis of this, we will count the number of constituents, number of atom or molecular ion present in either type of the unit cell, in simple or in body center BCC or in FCC. For this you have to remember some rule. On the basis of that, we may easily calculate the number of constituents in the either particular cubical cell or cubical system. before going to rule, mind here, each constituent present at the corner contributed only 1/8 part. It means volume of sphere, volume of constituents present at the corner is not completely inside the cube. Only its 1/8 part is inside the cube, and the remaining part outside of the cube. Constituents present at the center is completely exist inside the cube. Hence, contribution number for this, that is constituent present at the body at the center of the cube is 1, and contribution by constituents present at the corner is only 1/8. It is why? Because only 1/8 part is inside the cube, remaining part present outside of the cube. In case of faces, half part inside the cell, inside the cube, and remaining half part present outside of the cube. So contribution number for constituents present at the faces is taken as 1/2. So now rule related to this conclusion. Constituents atom in case of atomic solid are covalent solid, or ion in case of ionic solid are molecule. In case of molecular solid present at corner contributed only 1/8. Contribution by constituents present at center of body, that is Q, is 1. Contribution by constituents present at his is half, and for in the center, which is not included in your code. So No description for this. You have to mind only at these three rules. On the basis of these three rules, we will calculate number of constituents, number of components present in either type of the cubical system, SCC or BCC or FCC. For SCC are primitive, number of constituents in unit cell. In simple cubical crystal, only 8 constituents are at each 8 corners. Each corner. Z, number of constituents Z is equal to number of corners into contribution for each corner. Number of corner 8 and contribution by each corner is 1 by 8. So number of constituents in unit cell is 1. Next example, for body centered cube, that is BCC. Eight constituents, one constituent at each 8 corners. And one constituent at center of cube, that is body of cube. Thus number of constituents in unit cell. Z is equal to number of corner into contribution by each corner plus number of constituents present at center of cube. The number of corners are contribution for each corner is 1/8 and contribution for the constituent present at the body, that is at the center of cube, 1. So 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Next example for FCC. Case centered cube, that is FCC. Each contains one constituent at each 8 corners. And one constituent are each 6 faces. Thus, number of constituents in unit cell Z is equal to number of corner into contribution of each corner constituents plus number of faces into contribution of each face. The number of corners are 8. Contribution by constituents present at the corner 1/8 plus number of face in cube 6 and contribution number for each constituent present at the face half. 1 plus 3, that is 4. After this, we will study density of unit cell in next video.